All right, folks, we got something really special for you today. This is called Curvistan, and it's a Porsche cafe, a Porsche coffee cafe, and a showroom for Porsches, including some really nice old ones. So I'm going to take you for a little tour of it. I'm with my two buddies, Wayne and Chris. We'll show you what Curvistan looks like. It's right here at the Thong Lor BTS. So here, Thong Lor BTS. Curvistan. Let's go in. I've asked them to turn off the music for a bit, but listen to the sound system and check out the speakers. Okay, they were nice enough to turn the music off. Check out this beautiful coffee bar. And the sound system is awesome. There's Wayne. Very comfortable place to have a little meeting, have a get together with your friends. This young man, very nice, he helped me get the music turned down. Kapkunakra. This is the backyard. It almost looks like they should be having go-karts out here to race. Curvistan Porsche. This, by the way, is a private residence. It's quite beautiful. We were not sure and we asked, and that's what it is, a private residence. And coming back in, it's a beautiful coffee shop. There's our friend Wayne. Another way outside. Check out that tire and rim. Wow, good job. Going for a ride?
No.
Let's take a look upstairs. Why they do this, I don't know. Us old people. All right, folks, sorry. It's dark in there now. It's like a showroom. Oh, here we go. So this is Curvistan Cafe, Porsche Coffee Cafe here on Sukhumvit in Thong Lor, right at the BTS, Thong Lor BTS, so very easy to get to. It's really quite nice. If you're a Porsche person or just a car person or you just like a nice cafe, definitely something to come to. They have mocktails, they have cocktails, they have coffee drinks, they have some food. So I think you'll find it to be quite enjoyable. We're gonna go down and have something to drink. It's late, so no coffee, just a mocktail. On Sundays out here in their back area, they do a little bit of an exhibition. Folks bring their cars. We'll go take a closer look. While he's got that one fired up, let's listen. As you can see, we have a little bit of a car culture here. It keeps the heart pounding a little bit, which is nice. Not quite sure what that's doing here, but it's still a nice car. You've heard me rant before, I'm not a Mercedes fan. They do nothing for me. Every Sunday, at least almost every Sunday. I'm going to ask and find out. They do have cars here. People bring their cars for a little bit of a car show. We have a newcomer. A Ferrari is invading the Porsche space, and we don't mind one bit. But I'm sorry, folks, I don't know which model this is. If you do, please go ahead and put it in the comments below. Beautiful. And the side view of Curvistan Porsche here in Thong Lor. If you're a car guy or gal, definitely worth a visit. That's not a Porsche. Right at Thong Lor BTS.